Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a photo over a video in Capcut. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now in here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new project. Okay. Just for you to see. For example, I'm going to add in this video right here, just a short clip. Now I'm going to hit on add. Now in here, as you can see, we now have our video. Now to add in an image, all right, we'll have to tap on a magic button. Now, where is that magic button? It's right below. Right here, we have overlay. Okay, just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign to add an overlay. Okay, for example, I'm going to go ahead over to photos right here at the top right. Okay, for example, this picture of my keyboard right here. I'm going to tap on add. Wait for it. And as you can see here, it's easy as that. We can now just go ahead and pinch it using our fingers. Okay, as you can see. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and use these points and adjust wherever you want it to start and to end. Okay, now I'm going to tap on play. All right, you can go ahead and play around with this. As you can see, that's basically it. All right, when you tap away, you can go ahead and add more overlay. You can just do it over and over again. All right, like so. You can go ahead and use this to cover everything up right here, or you can make it smaller. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.